One of the final items we were waiting for was the chrome bumper to come back from the chroming plating business, and it has arrived. It looks fantastic. It's a very nice original bumper that we sent out, brand new, and we had it chromed. It was originally painted that grayish color, but we have taken it and gone right to the chromer and done the chroming on it, and we're applying the new bolts that are chrome, and this is the chrome. You can see it's pretty spectacular, like a mirror all the way down. Then we have our, still have to bolt this, actually bolting this down here. All the items there. Very complimentary. So it looks real sharp, came out nice.